Yeah, I welcome you all for my next session on 4 variable K map. Okay, so here now we are going to discuss about our 4 variable 4 variable K map. So 4 variable K map means the values will be from 0 to 15, and there are 4 variables like A, B, C, D, R, W, X, Y, Z, and so on. Okay, so in our 4 variable K map, we are going to deal with a 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay, so 4 cross 4 matrix we are supposed to draw. Okay, 4 cross 4 matrix. So this is the 4 cross 4 table, which will be having 4 columns and 4 rows. Okay, and here we have 4 variables, that is A, B, C, D. So if there are 2 variables, already I told you the value can be changed from 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Why this is? Because there should be a single bit change from 0, 1 to 1, 1. So when you write in terms of SOP format, this will be A bar, B bar, this will be A bar B, this will be A B, and this will be A B bar. And for this also the same format. Okay, so this can be written as C bar T bar, this will be C bar T, this is C D, and this will be C D bar. So once you are writing this, already you will write this as this 0 multiplied with 0 double 0, so once again 0 0 0 1, so 0 0 1 1, so 0 0 1 0. Now with the second row 0 1, so it is nothing but 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 1, then 0 1 1 1, then 0 1 1 0, then next with your 1 1, so 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 1, 1 1 double 1, 1 1 1 0, and next thing with here 1 0, so 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 1, 1 0 1 1, then 1 0 1 0. So you want to write the decimal equivalent. So decimal equivalent of 4 zeros is 0, 1, this will be 3, this will be 2. Similarly this is 4, 5, and this is 6, and this is 7. Now if you see, the number 8 is coming in the 4th row. 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15. Got it? So this is the values, that is the cell numbers. So here if you see, there are 16 cells, and each cell have a specific values and variable. So when you type in the name of variables, so this will be represented as A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, and this will be represented as A bar, B bar, C bar, and D. This will be represented as A bar, B, C, D bar. This will be represented as A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Similarly, this is A bar, B, C bar, D bar. So if I write this thing, this is A, B, C bar, D. If I write this thing, this is A, B bar, C, D bar. So as per our requirement, so wherever 1 is there, it should be represented as A, and wherever A bar is there, it should be represented as 0. Similarly, if it is A, B, C, D, it can be represented as it is applicable for B, C, D also. It will be applicable of B bar, C bar, D bar, and A bar also. Got it? So like this way we will fill the things. Now, for example, if we are given with the expression like this, that is A, B bar, C bar, D plus A, B bar, C, D plus A, B, C bar, D plus A bar, B, C, D. So here first what you want to write? You want to write in terms of values. So this is nothing but 1 0 0 1 plus 1 0 0 0, no 1 0 1 1, sorry, 1 0 1 1, 1 0 1 1, plus 1101 plus 0111. So the equivalent is what? This is 9 and this equivalent is 8421 code. Like that way we are writing 1011. 1011 is 11 because this is 8, 4 is not there, 8021. So this will be 11 plus 8 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. So this will be 7. So this can be written as summation m of 7, 9, 11 and 13. So after that we want to fill it in the corresponding things. So 7, 9, 11 and 13. Okay. So once you fill it, where you can in the fill, I will go with this black color so that it will be 7, 9, 11 and 13. So here if you see, this can form a pair and this can form another on the pair and this is on the left as such. So for this the answer will be A bar, B, C, D. Okay, and for this pair the answer will be A, B bar, and in these two things common term is D. Okay, and if we talk about this pair, the common term with respect to the rows is A, and here if it is belongs to C bar and D. So your final answer will be combination of all the three terms, that is A bar B C D plus A C bar D plus A B bar D. Got it? So this is how we are representing the terms. So now in the other manner, first before going into this, we will see how the grouping occurs. Okay, how we are going to group it. So here the possibility of oct is also available, the possibility of pair, the possibility of quad, everything is there. Okay, so for example A, B, C, D, if I have 1 in all the corners, what you can do? 1 in all the corners means this is 0 0, this is 1 0 term, this is also 0 0, this is 1 0 term, this is 0 0 0 1 1 1, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. If you came in this, we can form a quad. Okay, because all are adjacent to one another, so we can form a quad like this. So for this quad, what is the answer? If we talk about these two things, common term is your B bar. So the common term here is B bar. When you talk about first and last, the common term is D bar. So this answer for this particular quad is B bar, D bar. And here if we have 1 1 and 1 1 here, so what it will form? So this will form a pair. Okay, this will form a quad. So for this quad the answer will be B is common along the rows and D is common along the columns BD. Okay, if I have 1 and 1 along here also, what will happen? You can form a quad like this also. Okay, you can form a quad like this also. And this quad is what? For this quad the common term will be B, along the columns the common term will be C. Got it? So now if I had a structure like this, okay, so in this structure, for example, if I have an ones like this, so what you can, if this will form one more on the quad and the answer will be C D bar. But at the same time if I have one like this, we can form an oct. Okay, this will be forming as an oct over there. So for this the answer will be, this is 0 0, this is 1 0, no? So the common term is only 0, that is nothing but D bar. So D bar will be your answer. So here we will go with some more on the examples. For example, if we had a structure like this, what is the answer? This is 0 0, 0 1 no? So this will be forming one more Randu quad. So the answer will be what? This is C bar, D bar, this is C bar, D. The common term is nothing but C bar. C bar is the answer. If you have one more here, what we have? This will be forming another on the card. So this is CD, this is 1 0 1 0. So if we take the first and the last column, your common term is nothing but D bar. So the final answer is nothing but C bar plus D bar. Okay. So few more examples also we can see. So in this example, if I have 1 and 1 here, 1 and 1 here, and 1 and 1 here, so what will it do? So this will be 1. What is the thing? Quad. And this is one pair. Okay. So for this pair, for example, AB, CD, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, which means that A bar B bar, or A bar B, then A B bar, then sorry, this is 1 1 and 1 0. So this will be AB and A B bar. Here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. C bar D bar, C bar D, C D and C D bar. So for this pair, the answer will be A bar B. Second and third one, the common term is D. So for this quad, the answer is what? First and last term, the common term will be B bar. For this, the common term is C. So like this way, we want to form thing. Ensure that we should not form a pair like this. So this is not correct, because this will be an irredundant pair. So this pair is not at all agreed once you are framing the things. For example, now I will give one question, that is summation of m 1 3 5 7 and 11 12 13 and 15. So how we will find the answer? First we want to draw our 4 variable K map. Why 4 variable? Because the values are between 0 to 15. So we want to choose a 4 variable K map. So 4 variable K map we want to choose it. But here y of something is not given. So I am taking defaultly as ABCD. But some question they will give us like a W, X, Y, Z or something they will. So at that time you want to take this variables only. So after that you form the things, some 4 rows and 4 columns, that is C bar D bar 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Then next thing here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Then number 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 13 14 15. Okay. Now wherever the values are there, fill it in the corresponding cells. So we have 1 3 5 7, then 11, then 12 13 and 15. Okay, so here if you see, this is the first thing. This is one quad. So for this quad, answer is CD. And the next thing, if you see, I will go with your red color. The next quad, if you see, this is one quad, we can make it. Okay, for this I can make another quad. So for this quad, the common term will be B, and at the top the common term will be D. And this is another quad, and for this the common term will be B, and at the top the common term will be, here the common term is B, but here also the common term is 0 0, sorry, this is 0 0 no? Okay, the common term is A bar, the common term is A bar, and here the common term is D. So for this, your final answer will be a bar d plus cd plus bd. Got it? So this is the way how we will find your minimization using 4 variable K-map. Now if don't care condition, okay, if don't care condition, don't care condition is added, what will be your output? So don't care means what? It is x. So x means it may be either 0 or 1. So in your question itself they will be mentioning as don't care. For example, summation in 0, 1, 2, 5, 7 plus don't care of 3 and 4. Okay, like that way they have given the don't care. For example, y equals this thing. So first you want to check what is the variable. So whether it is a 2 variable or 3 variable or 4 variable. Here if you see the values are from 0 to 7, and even in the don't care the values are between 0 to 7. So this question will come under the category of 3 variable function. Okay, so if it is 3 variable function, what will happen? We want to draw the chord map, 2 cross 4 K map. A 2 cross 4 K map, that is A, B, C. So this will be that is B bar, C bar, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. They can be either 0 or 1. The numbering will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Got it? And you fill it 0, 1, then 2, then 5, then 7. This is the actual thing. But now I have a don't care. Don't care is what? 3 and 4th location. So 3 and 4th location I want to use it. So now if don't care is coming, so we can use the don't care either as a 0 or 1 based on my SOP or POS. So under the SOP we can make your XS 1. Under your on the POS I can make your on the XS 0. Okay, so POS we will see in the next lecture how to form the K map using POS, that is product of sum. So here if you make an X, what is happening? I can have a structure like this. This will be forming one quad. Okay, this will be forming one quad. And what is the other possibility? So this will form another one quad, and this will form another quad. Okay, but this quad we no need to consider because this is nothing but mapping of your X. So this will not be counted into the act. So this will not be acted into your picture. Got it? So shit is not yet enabled. So now if you have 1 here, 1 here, 1 here and X is X. So first this will be one quad. So for this quad the answer will be A dash, and this is another on the quad. So for this quad the answer will be only C. Now if you see this one is also combined, this one is also combined, there is no single one which is on the left begin. So the answer is that's all. Okay, for example if you want to write in terms of expression and simplify also, you will get the same type of answer. So this will be applicable even if you go with your 4 variable column map. So now summation m 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 15 plus. So what are the variable missing? That will be written over here. So 9 and 10. So here also what we will do? We will be drawing here 4 variable kernel map 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, 11. A, B and C, D. So this is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, then 11, then 13 and 15. The actual thing. Plus 9 and 10 also come into the row. So 9 will be X and 10 will be X. So here if you see, instead of grouping 3, 7, 15 and 11 as one quad, now if we have 1, 5, 13 and 9 also as a thing. So the possibility of making your oct is maximum. So you want to first give the priority for making your oct. But here your X plays no role, because I no need to combine any one, because already ones are getting in map. Okay, so this answer, you want to form your answer. So when you talk about this answer will be, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So the answer for this is nothing but D. But in this case, here if you got something like here, if I added one more 14, so what will get? He will get a structure like this. So here if you see, I can form 14 and 10 as a pair, but there is a possibility of making your 15, 14, 11 and 10 also as a quad. Okay, but one also can be left and making as a single, but a single is not permitted. You want to go for the maximum possibility. So making a pair is possible, but when compared to the pair, making quad is also unavailable. Making quad is also acceptable. Okay, so making quad is also acceptable. So what we are undergoing, I am undergoing to make a quad, first possibility. So for this quad, what will be the answer? This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So in this two terms, in this two rows, the common term is nothing but A, and here this is 1, 0. So when you talk about the third column and fourth column, the common term is C. So here if you see, your final answer will be something like D plus AC for this particular question. Clear? So this is how we are adding our don't care condition. Now we will see how we will do the don't care in your product of sums. For example, you are given with pi of m 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 15. So this is the thing which is given in the product term, plus don't care of. Here also we are getting here first this is the question given to you. So how you will convert into your normal, because I want to implement your K-map using SOP term. Okay, SOP term. So first you convert this into your summation of m. So summation of m is 0, 2, 4, 6, then 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, for this now you want to form your K-map structure. Okay, for this you want to form your K-map structure. Okay, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, and AB, this will be your CD. So 1, 2, 4, 6, then 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, then 12, 13 and 14. So here what is the possibility? Now you check it. So this 2, 6, 14, 10. 2, 6, 2, 6, 14, 10. All are there. Similarly 0, 4, 12, 18. 0, 4, then 12 and 8. So this itself will form one oct. Okay, this will form one oct. So for this oct, what is the answer? This is 0, 0, this is 1 0, so the answer will be something like D bar. And any other thing is that, so here we can form one quad. So for this quad, this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and here again 0 0 0 1. So in this thing, the common thing is A. When you talk about these two columns, the common thing will be C bar. Got it? So this is how we will represent from the POS to SOC. Now we will see one more thing. For example, y equal to, you have been given with an expression like this, that is A bar plus B plus C bar into A bar plus B bar plus and C bar into A plus B bar plus C. Okay, convert into SOP and draw a K-map. What you will do? So first you want to take the equation. So given equation is a POS equation. In your POS equation, A bar equal to 1 and A equal to 0. So this is nothing but what? 0 0 0. Okay. And the next thing is 1 0 1. Okay. And next thing is 1 1 1. And next thing is 1. This is 0 1 and 0, because wherever bar is there, it should be written as 1. Okay, so the equivalent is what here? 0, this is 5, this is 7, this is 2. So this is nothing but a 3 variable function. So this is nothing but how we are on the writing. This will be written as pi of capital M 0 to 5 and 7. So when I want to write in the summation of small m, this can be written as 1 3 4 and 6. So totally 8 variables. Now if you want to implement this using a K-map, how you will do? This will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So A B C 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. This is 0 1. So I have in the 1 3 4 and 6. So here this is one pair and this is another pair. So for this the pair answer will be A bar and C. For this the answer will be A into the common term is C bar. Got it? So for this the answer will be A bar and C. For this the answer will be common term is C bar and A. So the final answer will be A bar C plus AC bar. A bar C plus AC bar. Okay. So here now we have reduced this expression. Okay. So 0 0 0 and here they have converted into SOP, and so you want to convert into your SOP term. So this is your POS, this was your min term. Want to convert into SOP, how you will write? This can be written as 0 0 1 and 1, and that is 0 1 1 for 3, then 1 0 0 for 4, then 1 1 0 for your 6. So I can written this as A bar B bar C plus A bar B C plus A B bar C bar plus A B C bar. So this is your SOP term. So the given term, this is your POS term, and what this term is nothing but your SOP term, standard sum of product. Okay, so this only we are writing like this, and after simplification we will get an expression like this. Okay, so once you are clear with your SOP, for example, if you simplify in your normal fashion also, using your Boolean expression, if I simplify So which term you can take common here? So first and second term a bar c is common, so your term will be b bar plus b. The second two terms a c bar is common, b bar plus b. So finally you will get as a bar c plus a c bar. Got it? So this is by using your Boolean loss. So from your POS expression I can convert into your SOP expression, or from your SOP expression I can convert into your POS expression. Okay, so thank you all for your listening. The next lecture we will see about the POS K-map. Okay, that is based on your max term expression, that is pi of capital N, how we will do in the next lecture. Okay, so I thank you once again all for this listening of this video lecture. Thank you all.